I am very, very sad. It has been a long time we talk on live. Adam, can you know your this thing, please? You know I'm on live. I don't know. My cry finished this evening. In fact, I am not happy. I am not happy. I am not happy. I'm not happy. I am so sad. Adam, get me my affair. Leave it. Let me get it myself. I'm so sad. Excuse me. I'm so sad. I try to sleep. It's not coming, you know. I greet everyone, both my family, friends, and my colleagues in showbiz. In fact, I am very sad. Because what happened today, I waited for so long, about 2 hours, just to find out whatever I was hearing was true or something else. And for me coming to understand everything that LazzyBwoy is gone, it's somebody, me, Sharifa, I adore so much in this industry. When it comes to the northern part of Ghana, yes, me, I know my younger ones are coming up seriously, doing great things. Yes, it's appreciable, it's great. But this particular boy that passed on today, this LazzyBwoy, I've been promoting, calling people in foreign land to give his songs, for them to go through, check him. People say a lot. Oh, I don't even know what to say. This guy is too good to leave too early. We can never question Allah. No one can question Allah. Even if it is me, I can't do anything. Nobody can do anything. But I'm in pain today because that boy, LazzyBwoy, that boy with the tone, the melody, the wisdom of singing, oh my God, we lost something big in the northern part of Ghana. I post something and people are telling me grammar things and whatever. I should go and edit it. Massa, I'm not from England and I'm not from America. I'm from Ghana here and I'm a Jagomba girl. School is a secondary thing. Massa, Dagbana Nyama. So whatever I write, whether I write it correct or wrong, that one no concern you. What I write, if you understand, you understand. If you don't understand, oh yeah, leave them there. Once someone is hurting, it's totally something different. Don't come and be telling me about anything grammar or whatever it is. Kaman is not English, Junior, and you want me to write it proper or to master everything. Whatever I can capture is what I wrote. Because even the person that handling my social media was not around. And I have to do that thing. I write. And that time, if you know what is happening to me, Massa, please, we lose someone great. Hey! A guy that me I salute. Massa, Concomba boy that can sing in the band deeper with melodies, wisdom. Oh Allah, spare my younger ones. Most of them have a lot to offer. Ya Allah, have mercy on us. Ya Allah, those that this to happen to, Ya Allah, please protect them. Most of them, they pass through a few accidents and whatever. A lot of them, I hear it because we always see it on social media. And please, you the young guys, to pray. Pray. If you can't pray, please, there are other ways you can pray. Nyama, yama, no le dagbamba nyete kama. Sumina wune amadi chaka zambabia sumina wune kama. Pray. Today, this thing really, I don't know, it's been a long time anyone sees me on live. Not that I'm not there. There is so much I'm doing. I have a lot of projects, a lot of things that I'm fixing on just to step back into the system proper. A lot is going on. But today I am touched. Seriously. Hi, this boy. LazzyBwoy. Me, you will see me promoting somebody. Anytime you see me promoting someone, then watch out. The person is holding something very, very special. Please, my brothers and sisters, let's pray. Let's pray. It's so important. I am touched today. I was confused. I do not even know what to say. I don't know what I'm doing today. I don't know. I was sick. I catch cold even here. In fact, I was sick. Things normally don't happen to me that way. Never. But today, about that guy, I become sick at once. LazzyBwoy was a great artist. A very good singer. My God. You see me salute someone, then there's much into it. Because once we can be thousands, millions of singers and whatever, but we have some people who are too dynamic, special, great, good in the talent. And no matter where he is coming from, we are all Northerners. And the good thing was, he was singing in Dagbani, fixed few words of Kunkomba languages. LazzyBwoy, may Almighty Allah forgive all your shortcomings. And all my brothers too, who are coming up, be careful, pray. Please. 2 years or 3 years ago, this boy shocked the same Northern Kingdom, which was so, shocking. I even have a song with him. Even this LazzyBwoy, we have a song to do. And we plan for him to come to Accra. When I was going for Willersi performances, I called him, we talk. And later he told me that, oh, Mama, Big sis, them be shaman, ndi kala fe. So, I need didn't but I never change the date, ma. So, date man change man. I cannot turn till feel a yaha. Can't to call a woman no kala fe, no butchang la look shapolo. Then, I leave it. Oh! LazzyBwoy. La ilaha illallah sayyidina abduhu wa rasuluhu. قالوا إنا لله وإنا لله راجعون. Please, I am calling on to you all. Pray. Let's pray. You see me like this? Anyone that spent even a day with me will come and tell you how I live my life. Anyone that spent a day or two with me will tell you, this girl, Amr money, I am coming halakabal now $1 billion times. Let's not joke. The world is not the way we see it. Be clean and be prayerful. Please, let's pray. Let's pray. In fact, I am not happy today. May this boy rest in peace. We have lost something. A very great guy, LazzyBwoy. And Sonny, my sister, today you were crying when you called me in Germany. I know your other colleagues in the other parts of Europe are crying. I thank you so much for taking over the promotion of him and trying to push. And you, Sonny, the way you are singing it, you are a white lady. Yes, you are a German, but you sing the man like something else. Sonny, I know you'll be watching me. If you don't see me now, you'll be watching later. I'm so grateful. My younger brothers and sisters out there are grateful. Thank you so much, sis. But we will talk later because you were crying too much. Let's leave everything to Allah and let Him deal with our situations. May Almighty Allah forgive this young man. We have lost a great singer, a very powerful one. And wherever you are coming from in the northern sector of Ghana, please learn to pray. Even if you are not good in the 5 daily prayers, be clean, but learn to pray. That is my advice. And my hidden secret. There is none king in this earth but Almighty Allah. There is none one can worship but Almighty Allah. There is none one can praise but Almighty Allah. I am not perfect in prayers, but my soul and spirit, don't joke with it when it comes to praying. Even my children, they small like that. If they open their mouth to pray and recite, you will love it. So the secret, your power, is your prayers. Don't joke with it. Prayers. The worst thing I can do in my life is prayers. Even in toilet, you hear me. Midnight, while people sleep, what people can get up and say, Sharifatu, no, ayada mami sorry, what person was not theater. Say dayo, say you. Even me in dreams. I recite what I never come across. What nobody teaches me. So let's learn how to pray. Be powerful and be vigilant. When it comes to your spiritual life, don't joke with it. Pray. Secondly, respect every living soul. And be careful when their matter is not your matter. Shut up. When it's not your matter, don't go there. Respect yourself. When it doesn't concern you, oh yeah, Otilo, find your way. Just know your position. And tap somewhere. Watch everybody. When it's time for you to laugh, you laugh. When there's no necessary, you keep quiet. And some of you too, you go into people comments or you come into my thing. Me, I not be that kind of a star or something or whatever. Only Almighty Allah is star. You come and write any rubbish, I will give it to you. Don't come to my page and disrespect me. You don't go get down easy. If you think you can talk nonsense, stand in front of me, meet me and say that thing. It's then you know that. If you think you are from Tamale and you don't, I don't even know how to call it. I don't want to talk anyhow. I was born in the Bandabufong. I was born in Miss Adam. So my brothers are everywhere. My uncles are everywhere. I am everything of Dagban. So please, you may be disrespecting me. I am your auntie. I am your senior sister somewhere along the line. I am your cousin. I am your this, your that. Don't nonsense. I don't want this kind of things. And if you want to show me that you are stupid, or you can excuse my language, if you want to show me anything, I have more than that in my territory. So don't come into my things and be writing anyhow for me. Just learn to pray. The way you people don't respect and misbehaving anyhow. You all be careful. This life we are living is not what you people think it is. It's far away. Far, far away. Far, far, far away from what you are thinking. Let's be careful. Hanin also dying at Dagbana, my living near you. Dadam can pada near Dagbana, not now, my living near you. But this time, what is wrong with us? Anyhow, guys talk anyhow. They do anyhow. Please, let's learn how to pray. And don't disrespect people you don't know. I am telling Lord, man, take disrespect so. When you have me, when you banana me, Timbalama, Rosan your coach and I'm me. Bupan your coach and my me. So yes, but a coach and my me. So why things will not go gaga in the northern sector of Ghana? Some past ago, the only great human beings you can find in the northern part of Ghana. This time, even on your different about it, I had the band yellow back for problem yellow. I can show so different. Can't be a boy to actually understand on Jerry to Alaska. Can't to know putting it. Yes, so yummy. Check at the pass. Kapam said Jabunetaba. Kapam Jabu. Catch your by heart, no. Man silence, man silence, because I don't want to talk and anyone come out and disrespect me or get to no silence. Yes, can watch that because sometimes you just be laughing. What is this? Behind your solo. To check out the name of Malti. Amada Bande Bezot Dabia. The Bande Bezot Dabia. The Bande Tyms Pam Kagas Pam. No, we in a chamber castle to host. But Abayo Shiro, Amayufi Hata, decide well Kayela Benini. As yet to Abmi Gara. I'm a bumi dintuna yasha polisha pode butuna yale. Dintuna to so dimbutuna to so. The problems yaya. Zomia Dabiama. Kazo Bangaria. Because I'm told to so pumpung Carniela Nawunzo, Biabia ne Carniela Munia Faga Bashal Polo. We should be very, very careful. And in everything we do, we should add conscience to it. So Jarian Kuma Deba Mahama we lose. Oh my God. Ha! Kalu inna lillahi wa inna lillahi raji'un. Kalu inna lillahi wa inna lillahi raji'un. Allahu Akbar. See, we should be careful. All the young artists, because to me, you are all young. No matter what, to me, you are all young. Because somewhere along the line, and some of you, your senior sister, and I will tell you, let's watch out. That is too much. Let's do something. Great things. The best thing you can find in the country, music, when it comes to melody, everything is in the northern sector. Being is upper west, upper east, northern region, we have new regions. Wallahi, we sing like Malians. We sing like South Africans. Because even Zulu, when they are speaking, you will hear some Dagbani inside. Ako umla Dagbani lefu Zulu. Katwe Guinea, kabtu yare to akadagbani biarni. Guinea. Tegasi apam. Hanya solo. Ka jilman kai ka tezang le kana tambiala. Ka ba ngata na champa shere. Allahu akbar. Tana ba champa shere. Te ba champa shere. Nito yisi kana ngo. Tartan se Kaman 6 patara. Within a month, kala lagnantishia. Nkudam dema kala lagnantishia. Nyam, please. Let these things easy and prepare ourselves and work well and take the system to another level with the northern sector music. Whoever never hear about this boy, LazzyBwoy, after this our conversation, just go into YouTube and you will understand my pain. That boy is not even internally inside like that. Somewhere in Saboba, the Kukumba side, sing Dagbani like something else. More than some of us who sing in Dagbani. Oh my God, we lost something. May Almighty Allah forgive this guy. And may Almighty Allah protect all of you, all of us. Most of you, when you do small, and you think you are finished, you are done. That is it. Almighty Allah Quran confirm to baby. Let's pray. Let's learn how to pray. Because there are so many surprises that is happening. So we should concentrate in praying. So many surprises. We should learn to pray. And most of all, learn to respect as the children of Dagbam and the Northern Kingdom of Ghana. That is what I have to say. In fact, my heart is broken today. My heart is broken. And Lazzy's mother, family, and everyone, our condolence to you all. And all my family, my friends. Netagbangza. Sunya aduatemte. Netebi pola ma temanem la sumia aduatem yebima. Halbe pamlan shi Dagbani. Dagbani la kabani. Especially people on say behavior the woman Dagbani bimbala. To bidib sumatina never nyala bidibsi. Ama bidib guo, bidong guo, bezanyala behave, behave. Bebian sang la sang to Dagbang ma. Bebar bor samban nem baner bor nem twenir bani. Kabi twe kabugum sim shelben sang gibi shapulmana. Kam tel ul kam temal problem. I want to say thank you to all of you. Good night. Now we in Sugu. Na chimba banna tenda na unsa na bwaka protect the sa. Now I'm protecting na chimba masa. Nsu sa anya pamzo. It has been a long time we talk. Nsu sa anya pamzo. And forgive me if you don't understand what I'm saying, because the matter is me and my people. and it's your consent too, because this boy is really a gene, you know, a big time gene when it comes to music. Thank you very much. Now only tibia assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Tum na tum bergazi ambor nyem te heaven. Kaman how? Wula kenye vinya adanka ye tum la 247.